Sharing a meal around a table with family and friends is a very important everyday activity. We all know how difficult it can be when you're trying to assist a loved one in scooting up to or away from the table while they're sitting in a chair, especially if they're unable to perform this activity on their own. Today we are going to take a look at a product called the Chair Caddy that was sent to us by the kind people from ComforTek, who make specialized seating for seniors and caregivers. This is the Chair Caddy. It's referred to as being retrofit because it can be adjusted to attach to most existing chairs, either wood or metal. The Chair Caddy raises the existing chair about 3/4 of an inch, but as you can see, fits inside the legs of the chair. They have front and back casters that are medical grade, a foot-activated locking rear caster, and are rated for 450 pounds. There is a caddy for both in-home use and commercial use, such as long-term care facility, assisted living facility, or adult day center. So who might benefit from a chair caddy or the use of a ComforTek chair? Both individuals who have limited function in getting in and out of a chair or scooting up to a table, as well as for their caregivers. These circumstances can extend across many diagnoses, such as Parkinson's, stroke, multiple sclerosis, arthritis, just to name a few, as well as many conditions causing difficulty with mobility and strength. Let's take a look at how the Chair Caddy works. So here we have the Chair Caddy put under an existing chair, and as you can see with this will roll and it will also turn just like this. And as you can see right here in the back, it has a caster on the back wheel. Now, depending on the width of your existing chair, the casters in the back may have one brake, they may have two, depending on the width. Now this is a custom chair. This one in particular rolls forward. It does not have the swivel casters on it, but as you can see, you can push this forward, maybe not quite up to the table, put the brakes on it. This has two brakes in the back on the casters in the back. Then what you can do with this is you can swivel the seat while this is away from the table, allow your loved one to back up to the chair, have a seat, then swivel them back toward the table, and then release the brake and finish moving them toward the table and then locking it in place. So these are just two of the many options of chairs at ComforTek. They make an entire line of custom chairs which include ones designed to swivel, turn, roll, lock, or brake. Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner thinks that the ComforTek Chair Caddy and custom chairs will make a huge impact in both the home setting and commercial settings, helping to maintain client dignity and reduce caregiver strain. Be sure to check out the comment section below for further details and a link to ComforTek at seatingseniors.com.